Listen, it's not rocket science, it's what we do.
This is your base, the master base, right? That modular, and these are all the inserts that go in it. There's already two inserts in it now.
Right.
And then these are the other ones, pins and maps.
That's the sidewalk, right?
Yeah, that's the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Basically. Oh, that's the main wall. Alright.
It was all glass beaded for the texture.
Oh, so that's the main mold these fit into that hold up the
That.
They all go into that mold. We put color concentrate in yours because Hips is naturally like an opaque white color. Blends the color into the material. That's how it gets done. 310 tons of clamping.
Oh wow,
that's how much you can put the mold in and squeeze it closed.
Oh, yeah.